everybody, and thank you for joining me for some more snowblowing fun. Today we're going to be once again exercising our diesel snowblower Gravely. And if you watch my previous video, you might know that it's looking a little bit different. And that's because we got a different attachment today. Over in the back there, you can see the dog eater snowblower that we used last time. And up here, we got the snow cannon attachment, very much requested from the last video. Now, any of the folks that have had a chance to use one of these snow cannons usually consider it the greatest snowblower of all time, on top of having one of the absolutely coolest working mechanisms for turning the chute. The whole barrel rotates, and part of that is what gives it its awesome throwing power. So join me, and we're going to be taking it out for a spin and see how it does. Enjoy. This pin keeps backing out, hitting my compression release, and killing the engine. It's like the #1 problem this thing has been having. What I was worried about. Why is it going so fast? He asked stupidly. It was in high gear. Duh. So there we have it. There is the snow cannon in action. I would say the snowblower itself is awesome. It took me a minute to figure out that I accidentally had the tractor in high gear, but once I got it back into blowing gear, this thing was great. The only issue I really have with it is it's sometimes tough in the alley, and with the light snow trying to blow up wind, it just white out. But it's a lot of fun. So yeah, snow cannon, new favorite. Dog eater, probably going to be finding itself a new owner. Look, I'm steaming. So, thank you very much for watching, and have a good one. Shoots.